The year 2022-2023 was a very strange year, but it was triple strange for everyone who has even the slightest interest in finance and investing. In this video, I've compiled 5 stories and phenomena that most deserved the no way and lol what plaques in the past year. So here we go. 1 Elon Musk, factory steamship owner and me man. If you had to pick one person who brought the maximum amount of craziness to the financial markets in 2021, that person could only be Elon Musk. Became Time magazine's Man of the Year, became the richest man in the world with a fortune of $185 billion. Announced a humanoid Tesla bot with an over-the-top little duck dance from a dude in a tight suit. Tried to tweet out $6 billion to finally solve world hunger. Deciding whether he should sell 10% of Tesla stock to pay more taxes via a Twitter vote. Pummeled Bitcoin and Dogecoin all year, culminating in his appearance on Saturday Night Live, which marked the peak of Dogecoin. On Twitter, he posted a picture of his Shiba Inu puppy Floki, which allowed the new cryptocurrency Shiba Inu to become the 13th most capitalized cryptocurrency among all cryptocurrencies. Moral: it's good to be the richest man in the world. 2 NFT, 3-dimensional monkeys trade flat. We've all been used to strange tokens on the blockchain being worth millions of dollars for a while now. But in 2022, there's a boom of even weirder stuff happening. NFT, non-fungible tokens. While regular cryptocurrency is completely fungible, one Bitcoin is no better than another. That's why they have become mostly used to buy-sell modern digital art. Well, how for sale? In fact, buying an NFT with an embedded link to a picture of some crookedly drawn crypto punk gives you absolutely no rights. You own the picture completely speculatively. Anyone can still right-click on the picture, save it, and basically do whatever they want with it. Why people spend millions of dollars to buy themselves a set of useless zeros and ones is an open question. On the other hand, Banksy's shredded artwork is also bought for a lot of money, but at least you can feel it and hang it on your wall. Anyway, the NFT has spawned a whole bunch of funny news stories over the year. A 14-year-old girl made $1 million selling stoned crypto kits. The owner of a rare dull monkey, don't ask, accidentally sold it for $3,000 instead of $300,000. I got hacked. All my monkeys have been stolen. Help, begged the gallery owner when his $2 million NFT collection was stolen. Morale: just because you don't understand something doesn't mean other people can't appreciate it very highly. Even if it's a dull monkey. 3 Hometown Deli, golden sandwiches. Back in May, everyone was talking about a little sandwich shop in New Jersey called Your Hometown Deli, whose shares were trading with a total capitalization of as much as $100 million. What's the point of valuing a company with about 20Ks a year in revenue at millions and billions of dollars? Not if you're going to use it to sell sandwiches. But if you want an inconspicuous legal entity with publicly traded stock, so you can re-register some murky foreign assets, you can pay a bit more for that. Apparently, this was the purpose of the whole scheme with the diner. At least it turned out that this financial and food conglomerate is controlled by Peter Coker Sr., some dubious grandfather from Hong Kong with past convictions for financial crimes. Perhaps not the best resume for an investor in a couple billion-dollar company. In any case, after the media hype, U.S. regulators and the SEC are likely to keep a close eye on Hometown Deli, so it's unlikely that Coker and company will be able to successfully complete their fraud. Morale: any absurd nonsense can happen with shares of low-liquidity companies. That's why they are low liquidity. But that doesn't mean you can make money on this absurdity. 4. Deadly Peloton. TV can't lie. Peloton makes exercise bikes. When the pandemic hit, all the Zoo Geek athletes hunkered down at home and began suffering frantically without visits to their favorite fitness clubs. So the home gym theme took hold, and Peloton stock rallied for 2020. Trouble came when you didn't expect it. In December 2021, the company's stock plummeted 17% in just a couple of days due to the release of the first episode of the sequel to the cult TV series Sex and the City. What's the connection here? It's simple. One of the main characters dies of a heart attack while training for the ill-fated Peloton. And since TV shows how people die from these Pelotons of yours, it makes sense to get on the devil's machine only if you are a suicidal person. The company tried to find a graceful way out of the situation by quickly filming a cheerful commercial with an actor from the show, where at the end, a sign with the message, "Live, he is live," appeared. But then, as luck would have it, the actor himself got censured for harassment, so the commercial had to be canceled almost immediately as well. morale. No matter what they say about there is no such thing as bad PR, sometimes it does happen. And if the box shows something about your favorite action, it is better for your wallet if nobody dies. And so we come to the end of our journey through the most incredible and crazy stories in the world of finance for 2022-2023. We've seen how money can appear out of nowhere and disappear into nothing, making economic principles a true puzzle. These stories force us to rethink the meaning of money, its power, and its impact on the world around us. They prove that the financial world is full of surprises, and that sometimes reality surpasses any fantasy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss more exciting stories. Discuss in the comments which of the featured stories struck you the most and share your thoughts on how money is changing our world. See you soon, and remember, finance is not just about numbers, it's about the stories of our lives.